The Hit or Hike Sleeping Pad is both compact and lightweight. It is made with high-quality, waterproof nylon that can be filled quickly to achieve maximum comfort. The 2-inch ergonomic design was made with your neck, back, and body in mind. This inflatable sleeping pad is perfect for indoor and outdoor needs, such as camping, sleepovers, and movie nights. When not in use, simply let the air out and pack it in the included bag. A patch can be found on the inside of the carrying case to avoid air leakage. With a 1-year quality guarantee, you can buy a Hit or Hike sleeping pad with confidence.